Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing an option group. Because Access uses option groups for radio buttons, there is no separate radio control. Open your form in Design View and select Option Group from the Controls gallery. Once placed, immediately set the control source to the table field you want to bind, or leave unbound for temporary use. Make sure to choose Clear Name and Tab Order now so you can label each option cleanly. This saves time when assigning values next. Now add option button elements into the option group container. Each one acts like a radio choice. For every button, set its value property to a distinct number, for example 1, 2, 3, and use the option group's control source to store that number in your table field. If you need text stored, map numbers to text either with a lookup table or with after update code that translates values. Also adjust labels and tab order so users can navigate predictably. Finish by switching to form view and testing each radio choice. Make sure the option group writes the expected values to the underlying field. If you need to show descriptive text, use a calculated control or after update VBA to translate the numeric value for display. Once done, make sure to save the form and compact the database. If values don't save, check the option group's control source, ensure each option button has a unique value, and confirm the bound field's data type matches the stored values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.